Hello guys, in this video we'll be looking into the Boolean tool in 3ds Max. So first of all, we'll create some geometry first. Let's create a box and let's do a sphere, and let's just make sure that the sphere is inside a box. So let's just go in perspective again. I'll bring it up to the top and let's change the scale of this sphere. Alright, and let's just make sure that it's all inside. And this looks fine, and let's just do a few clones of this geometry. And then we can look at the differences of this sphere. Let's do shift and hold. Maybe we'll do maybe 3 more, just in case we need an extra one. And that's it. So now we've got some copies of our clones. So we'll keep the original one as is. With these two, let's select one of our items, and from here we'll change the standard primitives to compound objects. And we've got this tool called Boolean. Let's click on that. And now pick Boolean is pretty much the second object that we will pick, which will be our sphere, and what operation we would like for it to do. So at default, it is at subtraction, but you are able to change any of these. So let's do the subtraction first. So we'll start by picking our second geometry, which is our sphere. And as you can see, it has subtracted the intersection between the box and the sphere. Alright, now let's look into, let's go back into this one. Let's click on this box now and do Boolean. And this time we will do intersection. And let's start picking our sphere again. And now it only saves up the bit where the ball and the box is intersecting. Now let's get out of that and we'll go on to our next box. And for this operation, let's make it into a union. So let's pick our sphere again. And now this pretty much makes the two objects as one. So the sphere and the box becomes into one object. And lastly, let's do that one again, Boolean, and let's do merge and pick and that, and it's pretty much looking the same thing. Let's go into our wireframe mode. So as you can see, in union, which is on this hand side, it makes the box itself, the box and the sphere itself into one object, minusing the intersection, whereas merge makes the box and the sphere as a whole into one object. So you've still got that mass inside the box. Let's go back into our shaded, and just wanted to show you guys as well, if let's go to our original one and let's make a copy of this. It just depends which of the object you are making a base object of. So so far we have only picked the box itself, and then we're going pro Boolean to do all these Boolean operations. If we choose the sphere first and we do pro Boolean, items like union and merge will take the color of the sphere, making it into one object, but it will be in the sphere object. So for example, let's start picking it and we'll do that. So instead of turning pink, it turned into the sphere layer. So all of that object goes into the sphere 2 layer instead of the box layer. And this is what Boolean is about. Thank you so much for watching, guys.